Are you tired of having to choose between protecting the interior or the exterior of your vehicle? Introducing Blackvue DR750X 3-Channel Plus. Now with front, rear, and interior video protection, giving your car the total coverage that it deserves. The front and rear cameras feature full HD Sony Starvis sensors, providing ultimate video quality in any condition, while the interior-facing camera uses infrared LEDs to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. Also available with our driver monitoring camera to keep you safe while driving. And for those times when you're away, you can hardwire your Blackvue to enjoy the benefits of parking mode, while built-in voltage monitoring prevents the draining of your vehicle's battery. With Blackvue Cloud, you'll stay connected to your car at all times, receiving push notifications in the event of an impact, while event videos are instantly uploaded to the cloud for safekeeping. Blackvue DR750X 3-Channel Plus. Total dashcam protection for your vehicle.